Give me the weapon, baby! What, did I just get a fucking ring? Is that even an upgrade? Oh my god, might not even be an upgrade. How do I go 0 for 1 on the only fucking character that I can possibly not go 0 for 1 on? You know what? Fuck it. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. Fuck it. Upgrade. 1 for 1. Continue.
Say all that yet. So they...
Yeah, handheld supernova is basically warlocks getting a one-shot kill without having a super. The only class that has that. Oh no, I think Titans have their shoulder charge back.
Yeah, their shoulder charge.
Whoop-de-doo.
has it.
No, not this time.
Wait, so
Shoulder charge has to be built up. You can literally lose your shoulder charge. Supernova, you charge it up and then you throw it and kill something.
I just realized I was muted that entire match.
No, you weren't. You only did half of it.
Okay, half of it. Half. Cool. But yeah, can they just give me my headshot knife back? Like, you gotta...
I think I did it, by the way.
Because Titans didn't like having their shoulder charge interrupted with a knife to the face, so they're like...
How much to buy the supplies? I don't buy them. Never buy them. We get them for free. We go steal that fucking stuff. Stop the lobby? Is it a dead lobby? Are people unable to join it? Oh, what time is it actually, Fug? Nice fun. You can't join. Oh, that's a shame. I might have to start a new lobby. I think the lobby's dead. It happens every now and again. It turns into a lobby people can't join. See, I'm going to reset it all. I'm going to reset everything. I'll see you on the flippity flip, everyone. Do my magic trick. Reset the lobby.
Did I finish it? Yes, I did. It's fine. What day is it today? It's sub 4 day. That's what day it is. Sub 4 day. I was fed, it was awesome. I really enjoyed myself.